welcome back to my channel. What you're doing today is my special fried rice, and this is my special fried rice. So what we have is I have some chopped onions and some spring onions, and I have some carrots, okay, and I have some peas as well, okay, and then I have a bit of this is just ginger and garlic and onions that I have blended together, just a bit. And then I have this oyster and spring onion, so it adds a bit of flavor to the fried rice. And also I have some eggs. I'm using 4 eggs, okay. And then I have some meat, it's the beef that I've diced into small pieces and I've marinated. And also I have some chicken that I've already cut into small pieces. I have both the breast and the leg as well, because I want a bit of flavor. So both of the chicken and the beef, I have marinated it with these spices, and I just want to let you know I've marinated it with some onion granules, and have some ginger powder and some white pepper, and then I have some black pepper as well. And then this is my special, if you really listen to my cooking, my channel, I have this special mix that I've done with some rosemary, thyme, and a bit pieces of dried herbs. So this is also I've marinated with these ones. It smells really good. And then we have our soy sauce we're going to use, and have some bay leaf as well. So these are mostly the ingredients. And also not to forget, I have some prawns, okay. They're already cooked and frozen ones, so that's what I normally use. So now let's get started. Right guys, first thing I need to just do my scrambled eggs. So I add a bit of white pepper and also some black pepper, okay. I like a lot of spice. I don't like bland stuff, so add a bit of spice, okay. And I add just a little bit of salt, just a little bit of salt, and then repeat that. So I'm going to I need to put the process to just pop on the, so I put it on that. I'm trying to scramble the eggs for fried rice. Right, so we just want to cook this until it's quite dry. I don't want just a soggy one. Right guys, as you can see now, my egg is quite cooked, so I'll just switch it up and then I put that in the plate. Right guys, so we're starting the fried rice. It's on high heat. I need to be, this is the oil I normally use, the rapeseed oil. That's what I use for cooking. And then also I use a bit of sesame oil, okay. I'm not using my wok because I'm doing a lot of that's about let's say about 4 tablespoons of oil, okay. So I want it to be a bit hot. Then I add my chicken and the beef for it to cook. Right guys, my oil is hot. I just put in 2 bay leaf. Okay, and then I'll put in my chicken. I'll just add the chicken to the beef to the chicken anyway, so I'm just doing all of them together. Just a quick mix. So I'll just wait for this to just cook. It's a lot of chicken though, because I love meat in the rice. So let's just wait for this to cook. Right guys, as you can see, our chicken and beef is brown, so I'm just taking it out. I'll just take all of them out, and then we start with our fried rice. Right guys, so I'm about to do that. I'm using the same oil that I used to fry the chicken and the beef, so I'm putting the onions in. Right, so let it cook a little bit. I like onions brown, it gives a different taste early, so I'll just make sure that it cooks a little bit down a little bit before I add the other ingredients. Right guys, our onions are softened, so I'm adding the prawns. I just need it to just cook a little because it has a bit of water in it because it was frozen. It needs to cook a little, but before that actually I am going to add my ginger and garlic and onions. I just need to add that to that. I'm just in a hurry, so you wait for it to sweat, just cook a little bit for about maybe 5 minutes. Okay, right guys, the spice has gone really into the prawns, so I'm going to add the oyster and spring onion sauce. It makes it taste really nice. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is to just add everything. I'm adding the chicken back into it because I want more spice to go into the chicken and the beef. Then I'll add my carrots, my spring onions, and my peas. You see that it's a lot of vegetables. So I will just let it cook for about let's say about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll add the rice. Guys, I'm adding my rice now. So I just add it bit by bit until everything is stirred in. I know I'm making a lot of food, but that's what I normally do. I just like making a lot of food. So I keep on adding the rice till this I add about 3 cups of rice. The rice cooker. So we keep on adding this until we have a very nice fried rice with a lot of vegetables. Right guys, I've added the rice already. That's a lot of fried rice. So I'm adding my egg. So what I'm going to do actually is to add the soy sauce. Okay, so that's the soy sauce I normally use. I normally buy it in Asda. It's premium dark soy sauce. There are no preservatives in it, so I like that. So that's it. So we try and stir this up, and then our fried rice will be done. Right guys, this is our fried rice done. I've done lots of them and it tastes really delicious. So do try this recipe and you will never regret it. Right, so guys, this is our fried rice. This is my special fried rice. It tastes really delicious. I normally eat it with this black pepper sauce. It's called Sito, mainly down in Ghana. We use it's like a fish sauce, but it's very spicy, and then we have some chicken with it. So this is my lovely meal. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please put on your post notifications so that when I put on a new video you'll be notified of that. Thanks for watching.